I've been up this trail a few times since I've moved to Colorado, and every time it's different. Sunsets, rain, even up in the dark, and every time it keeps bringing me back. Today I wanted to piece it together and show you what it's all about. It's like such a beautiful view. It's worth it. I can't do it today. And it's beautiful. Well, this is our 4th try to get to the top. Well, what is this, the 3rd time we've gotten to the top? 3.5 times. We tried a few days ago and it got rained out, so we turned around. Oh shit. It is hailing.
Good thing you.
Okay, we're leaving. No umbrella.
We almost got there. We got halfway there. I'm like pretty sick. I'm like, I don't know if we should just chill for a sec under this tree again. I don't know, I think we should go after that. What do you think?
I only heard one.
Alright, we'll hear another one now.
She said, no, I wouldn't advise.
I like how me and you immediately turned around without saying anything at the same time, all slow. That was kind of funny. I doubt it's gonna get any clearer. Yeah, let's get moving.
Here we go.
That's right above us.
Okay.
I put that away.
Raining quite a bit. I'm finding this fun though. This is nice. May not have made it to the top this time, but we will when the weather is nice. Fremont. Oh, that looks so pretty.
Very lush, really.
And of course, as we get down, it gets nice and sunny overhead.
Okay.
But we're gonna go explore and drive around. Okay, day 2 of trying to hike. It's 75 degrees today, bright and sunny, no rain in the forecast. 1 mile up, 1 mile back, and several hundred feet of elevation gain. Here we go. I'm taking a break. It's hard going up the hill, but it's so pretty as the higher you go. Our goal today is to get up there before the sun goes down to watch the sunset. We have a reward at the top. Hopefully a nice view. Oh, we got an obstacle. Okay. Whoa. That's what I was saying. Oh, flowers. This trail is cool because we're trekking it through like an hardly maintained route. Really rocky, really stony, all uphill. One thing that I've noticed going up today is that all the rocks that were super shiny yesterday in the rain are not as shiny. So yesterday was way prettier so far. Bunch of mushrooms.
Now we know.
Look at this. All the growth you can see in the last few days. That's really cool. There's a mine entrance right there that's gated off. Let's see. Ew.
See, look, there's the mine entrance right there. They filled it up, I think. It looks like a bunch of just rock and rubble filled in there.
Straight down. We're getting into some high alpine flower zone. We're almost there. Wow. Woo! Oh my gosh. We made it to the top of the gulch. We're gonna go. Oh my God. Look at these. Big ass mushrooms. Those are cool. Spongy. It's very pretty up here. Now, this is our third time this week actually hiking up on top of Sullivan's Gulch. And man, it's getting easier every time. Oh my God. I need a minute. This is hard. And I have this rock that I'm gonna climb. Ugh. Okay. Woo! Wow. Okay. It just keeps getting better. I keep getting higher every time. It's getting easier. That was the hardest hike I've ever done in my life, and I want to do more. This is crazy. It's so beautiful every time. There's different things to see, different animals to hear on the way up and while hanging out up here on the meadow. My goal is to be able to do some backpacking because I think that's so cool. I want to be able to carry all my stuff, go into the mountain, camp, and stay overnight. I love that rock wall. So the sun goes down there. That means the sun approximately will come up over here and then probably make this. All of this is just up. We're heading back down the mountain now, and we have about a little over a mile to go. Straight down. At least it's downwards versus upwards. And it's so pretty up here with all the flowers as soon as you got up over the hill. Whew. It's getting darker down here.
I think there's somebody coming up. Careful.
Hmm?
There's somebody coming up. You're good. Hello.
Hello. Oh, that's cool. That thing goes all up these rocks?
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy. We made it back to the truck. Heck yeah. Woo woo. That was the hardest hike I've ever done, and I want to keep doing more.
Yeah, a little too much dexterity.
See that?
I caught that.
I'm stuck.
Oh, here, let me pull it back up.
I'm literally stuck.
Well, you need it over your head.
You put it over my hat.
Oh, sorry.
Stop, you're in my glass.
Oh my God.
Okay,
come here. All right, prepare.
You're trying to kill me.
Prepare yourself. I want to get your backpack dry. You ready? Your hat off.
Okay.
You'll stick your head in that.
Soon.